Welcome to the project closeout video for the Catalyst project development of Cardano Index API. This Catalyst project has been part of Fund 11, more specifically the Cardano Use Cases Concept Challenge, and it received a total amount of 30,750 ADA. I will now quickly summarize what the project is about. I will then proceed and present our key achievements, and then I will give a small outlook of what we are planning on working on in the future regarding this project. So when the Catalyst project finished, but we will still continue working on it. First, I will quickly summarize what the project is about. The idea is that we want to provide a index API. So what does index API in this particular case mean? In this particular case, we are thinking about index of tokens, or you might know it from the normal financial world. You have an index like the Dow Jones or the S&P 500, and this index, it summarizes a lot of different stocks and kind of represents the state of the overall market or of a specific part of the market. And the idea is that we want to bring this into crypto, specifically into Cardano, and that's why we built the Index API. Anyone can kind of use our Index API as a template to find their own index, so they can select different tokens. For example, I want to have an index on Cardano DeFi, so decentralized finance, so I might take all the different lending protocols tokens, all the different DEX tokens, and put them all together in a big basket like MintSwap, MusiSwap, Ringrider, SundaySwap, Liquid, Surf, and so on. And this index then allows the user to track how the entire market is performing. And this was our first step, but actually Linkage Finance, so us, we are kind of a project whose goal is to bring these indexes in a tradable way to the blockchain. So similar to exchange traded funds, you know, from the stock market, the idea is that we are developing a protocol that allows anyone to kind of create this fund and mint fund tokens. So if someone want to invest into Cardano DeFi, they would not need to buy every single token, but they could buy this fund token and hold all the underlying assets instead, which is of course very attractive because it saves fees, it saves kind of choice, and we've seen in a lot of other areas the last few years that passive investing is often outperforming, you know, active project selection. So yeah, we are kind of really excited about this, and that's why we also included Linkage Finance in our Index API. We've kind of developed it throughout different milestones. So in the start, we started with normal funds, we then extended with linkage, we did user testing, we did performance testing, and so on, and we've now wrapped all of this together into a publicly available repository, and yes, we are very proud of it, and we are also happy to say that it is working. We did a lot of back testing, we made sure that we have our own database that stores historical results to also provide index performance. We kind of provided templates and so on. And all of this together is kind of our result here. We provided different documentation, and at the end we wrote a closeout report putting this all together. And with this, I would also like to thank you for watching the video. I would like to give a thank to the Catalyst reviewers for providing us feedback, to the Catalyst team themselves who guided us throughout the process, who made this entire project feasible in the first place. So of course the Catalyst team, the reviewers, and also the community for voting for us. So once again, thank you. And now I want to quickly say what we are planning on doing in the future. So we already opened a support channel in our Discord. We are monitoring the repository for any developer feedback, and we have quite a big community, and we are trying to, you know, push this to other D app developers so that some others might also soon include some kind of index fund in their application. Yes, so thank you for listening, and hope that we can soon continue showing you what great work we are doing.